Hey, what's up guys? I am Vipul Rafukia and welcome to Infinity Learnings. In this video, we are going to talk about field parameter and how to create a dynamic slicer using field parameter and the different advantages of using that. So let's go for it. Now to create a parameter, first we need a table, correct? So I already have added a match table over here. You can see that. In this match table, I have created some measures which are important to create these parameters. And what are those measures? Let's first discuss about that. So I have created a measure. The first measure what I have created is total win. That means total count of the winner column. So what I have done, I'll show you over here. I have used total win as a name of the measure. Count A is the function which will count my measures. And here I have matches and the winner column which I have counted. Then I created another measure which is toss win, right? So in previous video I have given this thing into a detail, so you can go through the previous video. It is there in the tag on the top, so you can just click, and if you want to check it out, you can go. But now I'm just showing you how this thing is going to work. So this measure is toss win, where I have used a count AX function which is similar to countif, and I have used filter function to filter the toss winner, correct, where toss winner is equal to winner. So I want a total win, toss win matches over here. So match and toss win is over here, correct. So this is a measure which I have created. One more measure I have created is a decision win, okay, decision by bat. So if you see this particular measure over here on the top, I have used is decision win. So count AX filter by toss decision is equal to batting. So who will have a win through the batting, I have done through that, correct. Then I have created a measure called decision by field. So decision win. So I have created decision win field by count AX by field, okay. So these are the four measures which I have created over here: toss win, total win, decision win, and field win. So these are the four measures which I have created. I'm going to use these four measures to create my field parameter, and I'm going to create a dynamic say slicer. So usually the parameter, if we talk about a parameter is used to create a dynamic filters. Okay, so if you want to create a dynamic filters and everything, parameter is used. So let's see how we can do that. Now to do that, we need to go to modeling tab, and here we have new parameter. I'll click on the new parameter. We are going to get two options over here: field parameter and numeric parameter. So numeric range and field. I'm going to show you both how we can do that. First, I'm going to click on this field parameter. So it's saying, okay, what will your variable adjust? Okay. So now I'm selecting field over here. So we have field and numeric both. Name parameter, where I'm going to add a parameter name over here. Okay. So I'm going to give a parameter is win style. I've already created one win type over here, so I'm going to use win style for that, correct. And here I'm going to add the fields from this match table. Here I'm going to select, okay, which all fields I want to add. So I'm going to add decision field, I want to add decision win field, I want to add total win, and by toss win. So these are the four fields which I have added, and you can say add slicer to the page. If you want directly to add, you can add, or you can do it later on. So I'm going to add directly itself. So I'll create this particular field after giving all the field selection from here. So when I said, okay, I got this particular slicer over here. So I got a slicer by radio button. Okay. So option button, you can say. I can select the option like this. So if you want, you can change the slicer style by going to formatting over here and say slicer style to tile, which is over here. You can see. Okay. So from vertical list to slicer tile we are going to select, correct? And this is the style which you are going to get. You can modify your slicer style as you want. So I have all 4 fields over here, correct? So after getting this slicer over here, we are going to take this visual over here. So after taking this visual over here, what we need to do is we'll add team in the x-axis block over here, and in the y-axis I'm going to add the field, the parameter which we have made, field parameter win style, in this x-axis over here. So where we are going to get that visual, and it will show me what all things we have. And in this visual I can just activate my, say, data label, so I can see the data labels also on the top over here, correct? And now say if I slice by data, I want a decision making wise, total win wise, toss win, or decision win. You can see I got that dynamic filter. If I want to create this filter manually, I cannot do it, right? So we need to create this particular filter. So friends, in this video we have learned how to create a field parameter. So next video we are going to learn how to create a parameter in Power BI and how we can use that parameter over here. I don't want to make this video lengthy, so I'm going to create another video for parameters. So I hope you are going to like this particular video, and if you like it, please hit a thumbs up button. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. It really encourages me to create new videos and new contents for you. So thank you very much, and we'll meet back.